Hey YouTube, this is Sir Rem here again. We're going to be doing install on the frame sliders today. It's Friday, February 16th. And as you can see, we still got a ton of snow. Pretty much the same as last Friday. It's been pretty cold. We did have a couple of nice days, but didn't really melt too much, as you can see. This is going to be the last video that's monetized. As you know, YouTube changed their rules. So you have to have 1,000 subscribers, which I'm not even close to, and 4,000 hours of watch time in a year. I'm at about half of that, which is pretty good for the minimal subscribers I have. It means people are watching my videos, just not subscribing. So if you're watching this video, please subscribe. And when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I should be able to monetize my videos up again. And then we can do a lot of cool stuff. So, on with the install. Okay, now we're going to start installing the frame sliders. Okay, now I just have to tighten down the set screws. Yeah, get to work in my bare feet. And that should be good. Front sliders are done. So we gotta remove the cotter key. Okay, insert it on this side. There we go. I should probably have this set up on tripod, the camera, but I want to try it from the helmet mount, see how that works for this one. Let's get the party. Get this lined up, which I think is not going to be the easiest thing in the world. Oh, not too bad. Okay, now we do the set screws. Okay. Now for the regular sliders. Okay. First thing we have to do is remove this engine bolt here, which I already loosened up. Take that out. That's where the frame slider is going to go. Okay, after we get the bolt out, then we got to undo this bolt here from the frame slider. And that will let the frame slider come off. We take this bolt out, and we're going to put a little Loctite on it. Then screw this bolt into here. And we got to make sure that the hole for the set screw is on the bottom.
Where do you go when you're young, when you're restless, when you're fun, 'cause you're desperate? Oh, here they come for a chance, for adventure. What's your poison? What's your pleasure? Oh, my city.
Okay, and then I looked up in my service manual. That's supposed to be 33 foot-pounds of torque. So I got the torque wrench all set up for that. There we go. And then put the frame slider on and get the set screw in. This should be the fun part. Okay, gotta make sure that that thing is straight up and down when you're tightening it up, but that's how she looks when it's done. Hopefully it's not too low a light. It's getting pretty late in the day. Okay, I'm gonna put on the other side and then we'll be back later. Okay, the last part of the sliders is to put on a engine case cover. As you can see, I got a mark right here from when it fell over earlier this year. Once this gets on there, that'll prevent that. So let's get going. Okay, and that's pretty much done. The other side looks like this. Basically the same. Not going to bore you with that part. So I'm going to end the video here. And we'll catch you on the next one.
Maybach music.
Can anybody out there hear me? Hear me?